Hey guys, welcome back to Zigmoto. In today's video, we're going to see how to remove the paint from the gas tank. It's a process that takes some time, and I'm going to show you basically how I did it. Let's get started. You're going to remove what's basically the petcock is related to, is linked to, as well as the fuel line. Just use a pair of pliers, and you can remove it pretty easily normally. Not to worry about the paint personally, because I'm gonna redo it. So if you do worry, put it in cardboard or something. Yeah, it's rusty, I can tell. It's definitely. It's another filter. This is another filter for the gas tank. It's definitely dirty. You get it clean. If you ever have an issue with this part, you can always change it, and the filter normally pops out. So you can change the filter if necessary. But this thing, normally it's pretty easy to clean. Depends on the condition. Right now it's not too bad. But yeah, this is really rusty right here. There's an O-ring here. Put it here for now, but you best start changing those things if they're bad old. Mine is pretty much flat right now, so.
Alright, that's it for today's video. Next time we're going to see a little bit more about the suspension as well as the frame of the bike. Next video is also going to be about the carbs rebuild, the engine and everything. So if you want to keep in touch and be notified, don't forget to subscribe down below and also check out our Instagram page, zigmoto. Alright, cheers!